What's going on, YouTube fam? Welcome back to my channel. We're gonna go ahead and do a nice walk around of this white beautiful Accord. If you got a white one, you got some ideas to go take from. And we'll start from the front. I did notice the front already that the grill is smoked. I really like that. I thought it was gloss black chrome delete, but it's not. When I got closer to it, it's like gunmetal. It looks really nice. Look at that. It's like smoked out trim. And then the bottom, going down, the LEDs of course. And it's got the carbon fiber. There you go. That's the cover, or that's the cover, right?
That's the cover.
Got you. If you need a link for that, put a comment below. I mean, I'll put it in the description as well, so make sure you check the description before you start commenting and asking what's the link for it. I know, right? So on the sides, we got beautiful wheels done recently. These are just gorgeous. What size are they? 19? 19s?
19 by 8.5 in the front and 19 by 9.5 in the back.
9.5?
Yeah.
9 by 9.5 right here in the back.
Setup in the back.
That's beautiful. Look at those. And we got them from EUDM, I believe.
Yes, sir.
Ooh. I like the caps. You got those caps right there, covers. Small details, guys, pay attention. Looks pretty awesome. Yeah, give a close look at the spokes. That looks pretty aggressive, mean. Looks great on a white center. I'll go a side view. There you go. There you have it. And then the side, and he's got the mirror, side mirror caps. Carbon fiber, looks pretty good. It's glossy. It's got the window visors in the top. What percentage tint you got?
It's 35.
35 in the front, all around, or
All
just?
around, yeah.
It's 3M, right?
Yeah.
So these are 35, guys. You guys could see me in there. You could see that with the sunlight's coming through it, so you could see a little bit in there. That's how 35% tint would look like. You can see a little bit through it, but yeah, there you have it. That side, then you have the handle covers, right?
Yeah.
Handle covers,
Carbon fiber.
carbon fiber style, looking good. Dope. And then of course V1s?
Oh, V3.
No, that's V3s?
Oh, V4? Or V1?
No, they're V1s, bro.
I have no idea.
Yeah, comment below, guys. This is V1s. I would say these are, I don't know, V2s are different. They have like angel ones, but yeah, this is V1s.
No, yeah, they're the V1s.
These are V1s, bro. Smoke. They look pretty dope. I love that. They're aggressive ones. I want these for the black one. They'll look so good. V1s, taillights.
They look
Ooh.
nice on your car.
Yeah, give that aggressive look. And they're smoked. Just recently got them. And the cover, of course, is right there again in the back. And right now he's missing a spoiler in the back.
Yeah.
And a roof spoiler. So what model is this one?
It's a 2020 Honda Accord Sport.
Sport, is it touring or?
No, just a Sport 1.5 turbo.
But it's fine because you have a. I thought I saw chrome on the side. I did. See that?
It's only on one side.
It's only on one side.
Actually, was
So
told
it's
that
weird.
It's supposed to be on both sides.
It's supposed to be on both sides. That's what I was wondering. I'm like, what model is that? I think it's the.
Honestly, I think it came from the factory, like messed up. Because at the dealership,
You gotta get your money back.
They actually told me, they're like,
Yeah, it's supposed to
this
come
is
with the
only
other
one
side
that
too,
doesn't
guys.
have chrome on that side.
That's weird. Nah, they gotta fix it. They gotta pay you for that back. Yeah, but guys, here's the deal. We got, well, we're gonna go around for it real quick. It's really nice. It's beautiful. I love it already. And we installed Underglow on it recently. Not even recently, just now actually. So we went around. It's pretty nice. You don't have front windshield, right? The
No.
tints. Yeah, it doesn't. Nope. So that's how it looks. And interior, you have what? What have you done interior? The lights. I mean
The floor lights.
and then the covers, right? See how the cover looks.
Carbon fiber on the door. Carbon fiber door trim.
So I know some of you were requesting on the trim how they look. This is how they look
They're actually
on the doors.
plastic.
This is metal, right?
Yeah, it's metal.
Got you. Well, you gotta send me the link, bro.
I will.
Make sure you DM him. I'll put his Instagram in the description below. Make sure you follow him and DM him. And look at that. He's got the button, the covers, red ones. That's how they look if you guys are thinking about getting those. The side and the middle. And these don't light up, right, when you switch? Nah.
You can't even see it.
Yeah, you don't
It's
see it because
covered.
usually the OEM, when you do that, it will go blue if you
Yeah,
go
yeah.
cold. It
Take
goes
off the
red.
buttons, you can see it.
It goes red when it goes, you know, but you don't see that anymore here. And then the carbon fiber here, of course. Yeah, and then this is pretty. This came with the kit, right? The gloss.
Oh,
I mean,
that piece I bought on Amazon.
Oh, you got this piece on Amazon?
The one
Oh,
that
this
came
is
with the
pretty
kit is
nice.
actually I have to take out the chrome one
That's nice.
so I can install it.
Got you. All right, guys. So let me show you guys what we installed recently. We installed the underglows and the RGB ones, chasing ones. I installed it as well. So we'll go ahead and make a nice clip from the other side since there's I think darker on that side, but we'll make one right now. You can go ahead, bro. All right, so we got that's what we installed. Underglows. You want to change the? All right, you got green. See, these are solid colors, and I put the link in the description below for these underglows. They're pretty high quality on this one. And you want to put it on auto? Oh, there you go. Now you got chasing one. This is tough. There you go. You can change the speed of it, make it faster or slower. That looks really nice. I'm gonna move back a little bit. And it's like still, the sun is still up there. See, you can still see it. They have like different modes. See, he's using the app right there.
Like more than 100 different modes.
I think 120, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's many different modes right there you guys have.
Well, that's tough right there.
Yeah, you should stick with one color and chasing ones. That's dope. And you got it on auto. Yeah, and you got solid colors. But I like how they switch colors and they kind of fade into the next one. See that? That's fire. Just installed the whole kit for him. Side view. In the back here. You can see they got in the back right there. Yeah. Yeah, there you go. See, it's getting darker, so now you're starting to see him.
Yeah, once the sun goes down, bro.
Yep, you're good to go. Oh yeah. This was nicer too. I like that.
22.
Number 22. Yeah, you might want to remember that one. All right, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. This looks really great. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. And yeah, make sure you guys follow him and DM him if you got any questions.
Thumbs up the video right now.
Hell yeah. Thank you.
I turned off the car because I don't know, I just wanted you to see the lights a little bit better.
that's how it's looking right now.